I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy potato soup. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on fresh potatoes and aromatic vegetables. Next, we will quickly prepare them for cooking. Then, we'll simmer everything until it's perfectly tender and full of flavor. Finally, we'll add some creamy touches and season it just right, creating a comforting meal in no time. Let's get started by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of your favorite potatoes, peeled and diced. Also, chop 1 medium onion and 2 stalks of celery. Make sure you have 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth on hand. For that lovely creamy texture, measure out 1/2 cup of heavy cream. These are the core components for a delicious soup. Now let's get cooking. In a large pot, sauté your chopped onions and celery in a little butter or oil until they are softened, which takes about 5 minutes. Next, add your diced potatoes and the 4 cups of broth. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the potatoes are fork tender. Almost done. For a thicker, heartier soup, use a potato masher to gently mash some of the cooked potatoes directly in the pot. Then stir in your 1/2 cup of heavy cream until it's well combined and heated through. Season generously with salt, black pepper, and any fresh herbs you enjoy, like chives or parsley. Serve your warm, comforting potato soup immediately with your favorite toppings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.